Good day, students. This is Miss Khyati Dwarkadas presenting you another virtual class of the climate of India. And let's discuss the controls of climate today. When we talk of climatic controls, we talk about latitude, altitude, the pressure and wind system, distance from the sea, ocean currents, and relief features. And very briefly, we shall look at each of the 6 climatic controls. Latitude is the distance a place lies north or south of the equator and is measured by an imaginary line called the line of latitude. So if you remember the song I had taught you, the latitude longitude karaoke in the beginning of the year, you must have stored it with you. You can sing the song first, the latitude part of the song in particular, and then you can read through this once again. So it registers in your mind for a longer time span and you will not forget it. Now, due to the curvature of the earth, the amount of solar energy received varies according to latitude. What do you think is the result? Air temperature generally decreases from the equator to the poles. Simple, easy to remember, no worries. Now let's deal with the second climatic control of altitude. Temperature decreases from a low altitude to a high altitude. So you can see the temperature. I'm showing you Darjeeling here, which is not very accurately visible. I think it's moved on this map, but it's 4 degrees in Jan, and Agra is 18 degrees in Jan. So the lower altitude to the higher altitude. This map is a slight moved map with locations, but take it as a hypothetical map. Then we have the next climatic control, which says air temperature decreases with altitude, which I was just talking to you. As elevation increases, air gets cooler because of the energy drawn from the surroundings. Pressure and surface winds in India is unique. During winter, there is a high pressure in the north of the Himalayas, and cold winds blow from this region to the low pressure areas over the oceans to the south. In summer, a low pressure area develops over interior Asia and in northwest India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of winds during summer. Air moves from the high pressure area over southern Indian Ocean in a southeasterly direction, crosses the equator and turns right towards the low pressure areas over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as your southwest monsoon winds. And these winds blow over the warm oceans, gather moisture and bring widespread rainfall over mainland India. As a suggestion, I would prefer you read through this at least 2 to 3 times for a quick recall. So this is how it would actually look. When we talk of distance from the sea, coastal areas have a more equable climate, whereas interior parts have extreme climate. All of us know Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata, Kolkata is a little moved on this map again. So Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata have a more equable climate. They have the moderating influence of the sea. But as you go inside, there is a continental climate. Look at Delhi and Shimla, where you face extreme climatic conditions. Now let's talk of ocean currents. Ocean currents along with onshore winds affect the climate of a place. For example, any coastal area with warm or cold currents flowing past it will be cooled if the winds are onshore. Simple. Now, relief of a place, what we call physical features. Relief of a place also plays a major role in determining the climate of a place. High mountains act as barriers for cold and hot winds. They may also cause precipitation if they are high enough to lie in the path of rain-bearing winds. The leeward side of the mountains remain relatively dry. This also we've seen in some of the previous chapter videos, where the rain-bearing side is the windward side. The opposite of that is your leeward side. This we shall do next time, the factors which affect Indian climate. But if you want, you may note down this concept map in your notebook, of course. And until I meet you again, I trust you to stay home, stay safe, stay masked, sanitized, gloved, and revise. Thank you and have a nice day, children. God bless you.